Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Now today I would like to work on our grammar and pronunciation. So let's do it. Now let's open a new document, write a document. Okay, so for example, let's let's exercise 1. Exercises .ugrammar.com exercise 1. So that's one of my exercises. Yesterday I Carl talking with Mark. I and those are the 4 different possibilities, options. I Carl talking with Mark. So comma, yesterday, comma, I saw Carl. The correct answer is saw. I saw Carl talking with Mark. I saw. Yesterday we use saw, which is the past tense of the past simple of the verb to see, because we know exactly when it happened, which is yesterday. The sentence features the exact time it happened, which is yesterday. Yesterday, comma, I saw Carl talking with Mark. Oh, I saw Mark talking with Mark yesterday. It would be another option. So let's see how to pronounce it. Now, yesterday. Okay, you can just repeat you can just shadow my voice, but we can also write it in IPA by using the IPA, which is the International Phonetic Alphabet. So yesterday, one moment, I want to see if it is okay. No, it's not working properly for the moment. So what can I do now? I wasn't expecting that. I thought it was going to work properly. Let's open Keyman. Start Keyman. Maybe that's why it's not working, and I think it is. So okay, yes. Yesterday. Yes. Yesterday I saw yesterday I saw Carl with a long R sound. I saw Carl talking with Mark. So that's basically how it works. Yesterday I saw Carl talking with Mark. Now yesterday I saw a long O sound, Carl. The R, it's optional. You can pronounce it if you, for example, if you are learning American English, or if you are used to speaking with an American accent, so you would then pronounce the R, Carl, something like that. But if you want to use a British accent, it would be Carl, without mentioning the R. Carl. Yesterday I saw Carl talking. Here is a silent L. So basically you wouldn't pronounce that. Oh my God. No. You wouldn't pronounce that's it. That L. Talking. So that L is silent. With Mark. Yesterday I saw Carl talking with Mark. Nothing more to say here. Okay, so we use the past simple because we know the time or the action. We are seeing how to pronounce the sentence. No particular connected speech technique is necessary here, so you can just read the sentence the way I wrote it down here. Yesterday I saw Carl talking with Mark. Okay, that's all for this little lesson, an English pill. Okay, just to do something together. Okay, nothing special, just a bit of grammar and a bit of pronunciation. See you next time.